everyone, Mary the Wanderer back again with another edition of Dressing Well Wednesday. 3 tips in under 3 minutes to inspire everyday style. Well, since I'm leaving for the airport in about 3 hours, I thought today's topic should be airport style. And what I thought I would do is walk you through the 3 principles that I use when I'm deciding what to wear on an airplane. So the first thing that I consider is my outer layer. Usually that's a lightweight coat, but for this trip I chose this pretty cinnamon sweater. It's made of a lightweight cotton and linen blend, so it's really comfortable, and I love that it's oversized. I paired it with this white t-shirt, some relaxed fit jeans to really complement the whole vibe of the outfit and also the destination where I'm going. So that's tip number 1, is pick your outer layer first and then combine it with other elements that really match the vibe of the trip. Tip number 2 is all about utility, and I always want to be as hands-free as possible when I travel. So for this trip, I chose this crossbody bag. Of course, it matches, which is important to me. But what I really like about this one is this little side pocket. I'm going to put my earbuds in there so I know where they are. And then the pouch holds my phone, money, passport. It's just a great way to travel. So tip number 2 is consider your luggage, your handbags, and I find that a crossbody bag always gets the job done. And the third tip I wanted to share with you is that I rarely travel without a scarf. And for this trip, I chose this scarf. I love that it adds a little more color to the outfit, some more texture. And I also love that it protects the white t-shirt. When I get to my destination, I can take it off. I can take the sweater off as well and really be comfortable and relaxed when I arrive. So those are my 3 tips for today. I hope 1, 2, maybe all 3 resonated with you, helped you look at your own closet a little bit differently, made your travel pack a little easier too. And I'll be back again next week with another edition of Dressing Well Wednesday. Have a great rest of the day. See you later. Bye-bye.